Introduction. True solution. A solution that has solute particles of size smaller than 1 nanometer in diameter and cannot be seen with naked eyes. They do not scatter a beam of light. The particles do not separate by filtration. Suspension. It is a heterogeneous mixture in which solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended. Particles can be seen with naked eyes. It scatters a beam of light. Particles can be separated from the mixture by filtration. Colloidal solution. The solution appears to be homogeneous. The particles can scatter a beam of light. They do not settle down when left undisturbed. It is stable and particles cannot be seen by naked eyes. The particles cannot be filtered. Real-time example. To study solution, colloids, suspension, is helpful to know the properties of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture of solute, solvent and combined solution. Apparatus required: test tube stand, a glass rod, funnel, tripod stand, filter paper, torch and china dish. Chemicals required: common salt, sugar crystals, alum powder, chalk powder, fine sand, raw egg, fine soil from garden and distilled water. Procedure. A. To prepare a true solution of common salt, sugar and alum. True solution of common salt. Take clean test tube, pour 2 to 5 ml of distilled water in it and add dry common salt in it. Stir the content with a glass rod. Common salt dissolves completely to form a true solution. True solution of sugar. Take a clean, dry test tube and add 2 to 5 ml of distilled water in it. Pour few sugar crystals in it and stir the content with a glass rod. The sugar dissolves in water to form true solution. B. To prepare a suspension of soil, chalk powder and sand in water. Suspension of soil in water. Take 2 to 5 ml of distilled water, add half a pinch of garden soil, stir well, keep the test tube on the stand, record your observation. Suspension of chalk powder in water. Take 2 to 5 ml of distilled water in a test tube, add a pinch of chalk powder in it, stir well and record your observation. Suspension of sand in water. Take 2 to 5 ml of distilled water, add half a pinch of fine sand in it. Stir well, keep the test tube on sand and record your observation. C. To prepare colloidal solution of starch, egg albumin in water. Colloidal solution of starch in water. Now take 5 to 10 ml of hot boiling water and pour the contents in the boiling water. Allow the contents to cool. Record your observation. Colloidal solution of egg albumin in water. Take 10 ml of warm water in test tube. Separate the white portion of the egg from the yellow part. Add a very small quantity of egg albumin to the test tube. Stir the contents thoroughly with the help of a glass rod. To check transparency, place 3 test tubes on the stand and flash a beam of light to check the transparency. Record your observation. To check filtration criterion, take tripod stand, place a funnel over tripod stand. Fix the filter paper in the funnel and check for the filtration criterion. Record your observation. Record your observation. Record your observation. To check stability criterion, take 3 test tubes with a colloid, suspension and true solution in each respectively. Shake all the test tubes and keep them in the test tube stand. Allow it to stand for 5 minutes. Record your observations.